In the quiet of the morning, as the first rays of sunlight began to paint the sky, Jesus stood before his people. His hands were raised in an eternal gesture of welcome, open wide like the boundless expanse of heaven itself. In his eyes, there was no hint of condemnation, only the depth of mercy and compassion. His voice, like the gentle touch of the morning breeze, carried a message of love and forgiveness. He did not come to cast judgment upon the world, but to reveal the path to its lost sheep. To reach the heights of heaven, he said, you must first learn to love one another. Forgive those who have wronged you, just as I have forgiven you. Show kindness to all you meet, for God's love has no bounds. His words echoed the truth that set captives free and bound broken hearts. We are not judged by our past, but by the love we share and the hope we hold. The world may be a tempest of trials and tribulations, but God's light shines brightest in the darkness of our despair. He walked among us, not as a king on a golden throne, but as a brother who understands our struggles. When we walk this earth, let us walk in faith, in respect and care for one another. Let us be the light that pierces the darkness, the love that conquers hate, the hope that sustains the weary. For in every act of kindness, in every smile of forgiveness, we are walking towards heaven, my friends. The promise of eternal life is not a dream deferred. It is a seed sown in the garden of our hearts. Water it with the tears of compassion. Let it grow with the strength of forgiveness, and watch it bloom into the flowers of God's love. Every step we take, every choice we make, brings us closer to the embrace of the divine. Follow the way of Christ, my brothers and sisters, and his peace will be your guiding star. Hold fast to hope, for it is the anchor of your soul. Love one another as he loved you, and know that you are walking towards the heavenly city, towards the arms of the Father who welcomes you home.